Welcome to the best picks. The best lace tightener is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools for any ice skater. Properly tightened laces are crucial for optimal performance and comfort on the ice. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of ice skate lace tighteners, exploring their features, benefits, and how they can significantly enhance your skating experience. Get ready to discover how this simple tool can make a world of difference in your skating. Number 5. A&R Collectibles A&R Lace. This is the A&R Lace from A&R Collectibles. It's imported and designed for your comfort. The lace pulls tight, allowing you to adjust it to your desired level of comfort. It ensures a secure fit for whatever you're doing. This lace opens securely to an acute angle. It's designed to provide a reliable and secure closure. The beveled edge prevents tearing of the lace. This feature helps to extend the life of the product. This product is from A&R Sports, a leading brand in sports accessories for over 20 years. You can trust its quality and durability. What we like? This tool pulls laces tight for desired comfort, thanks to its acute angle design. It also prevents lace tearing with its beveled edge. If you're looking for a reliable tool from a trusted brand, this is a great choice. What people say? It hooks right under the laces, you pull up, and by the end of the lace tightening you can tie your bound knowing the laces offer even pressure across the top of the foot and don't loosen. It works. Does the job, tightens your laces comfortable in the hand and hasn't broken yet. Number 4. Shoe Lace Tightener Hockey Skate Key Tool. You'll receive a set of these tools, perfect for replacing broken ones or sharing with friends. There's plenty to go around, ensuring you always have one when you need it. Using this tool is simple. Just adjust the laces for comfort and pull them tight. No complex tools are needed, and the process is a great way to exercise your hands-on skills. Made from quality stainless steel and plastic, this tool is reliable and built to last. It won't break or deform easily, and the handle is designed for comfortable use. The tool features a wide, smooth handle that's easy to hold and use. The curved design fits your fingers well, providing a comfortable experience, and the lever action saves you time and energy. This tool is versatile and can be used on skates, figure skates, shoelaces, and boots. It keeps your laces firm and tight until you're ready to untie them, offering you great convenience. What we like? This tool is made of durable stainless steel and plastic, ensuring it will last. It's also easy to use, making the DIY process simple. If you need a versatile and long-lasting tool, this one is perfect for you. What people say? They're a good length and have a nice point to get under the laces. Works great. They make tightening laces easier and help to loosen when taking them off. My daughter uses these for her figure skates. She has one of the metal ones, but it hurt her hand and fingers so much. This one is much easier on her. It is very sturdy. Number 3. Sports Folding Lace Tightener. Tired of loose laces? This handy tool is designed to help you tighten your laces for maximum comfort and security. It's perfect for ice skates, roller skates, and more. Made with eco-friendly PPT material and a sturdy stainless steel hook, this lace tightener is built to last. You can rely on it to withstand regular use and keep your laces secure. The angle design holds the lace securely while you pull, preventing tearing and ensuring a perfect fit. This tool makes tightening your laces quick and easy. Whether you're on the ice or in the park, this lace tightener is your go-to solution. It works with all kinds of laces, from ice skates to boots. Keep your laces perfectly tight and secure with this simple yet effective tool. It ensures your laces stay put until you're ready to untie them. Get yours today. What we like? Made of eco-friendly PPT material and a sturdy stainless steel hook, it's built to last. The angle design helps to hold the lace securely. If you like a tool that keeps your laces perfectly tight, you should consider this one. What people say? The puller is well made and should last forever. The hook part swings out easy, but stiffly, so it doesn't slop out, which is perfect. Gets your laces tight without making your fingers raw. Worked fantastically. Number 2. 4PCS Stainless Steel Skate Lace Tightener. You'll receive 4 lace tighteners. This is a sufficient amount for personal use or to share with friends. It ensures you always have a tool available and ready to go. Using this tool is incredibly simple. Just adjust the laces for a comfortable fit. It's designed for practicality, requiring no complex tools. You can also improve your hands-on skills. These ice skate lace tighteners are made of stainless steel and plastic. They are reliable, durable, and won't easily break or deform. The handle is comfortable to hold and won't hurt your hands. The skate key tools have a wide, smooth handle, making them easy to use and hold. The curved design fits your fingers well, providing a good experience. The lever action saves time and energy. This tool is versatile, suitable for skates, figure skates, and various shoelaces. It keeps your laces firm and tight until you're ready to untie them, offering you much convenience. What we like? You get a set of 4, so you'll have spares or can share with friends. It's easy to use and portable, with a comfortable handle. If you are looking for a convenient and shareable tool, this is a great option. What people say. My kid can finally tie his own skates now with these tools. Good for snugging up ice skating laces. Works as expected to tighten boot laces. Number 1. MTLEE 4-piece lace tightener for skates and boots. Are your laces always coming undone? This tool is designed to solve that problem. It helps you tighten your laces quickly and easily. This handy tool is perfect for ice skates, figure skates, and boots. It's a must-have for anyone who wants a secure and comfortable fit. The set includes 4 tighteners, so you can keep one at home, in your bag, or anywhere you need it. This ensures you're always prepared. Made from stainless steel, this lace tightener is built to last. It's strong enough to handle the toughest laces and provide reliable performance. Its folding design makes it easy to carry around. Simply hook it onto your laces and pull for a perfect fit. It's that simple. Say goodbye to loose laces and hello to a more secure and enjoyable experience. Get this lace tightener and experience the difference. What we like? This tool features a convenient folding design, making it easy to carry. It's made of stainless steel for durability. If you are looking for a portable and reliable tool, you should consider this one. What people say. Easy to use, pivot rivet looks solid. These work great. Very helpful. They are good quality and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.